students, welcome to my class. In today's class we are going to continue with the chapter Triangles of class 10. So in our previous video we have completed 8 questions of exercise 6.3. Today we are going to discuss the remaining questions. Question number 9. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that the first condition is triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP and the second part CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So here in this question we are given two triangles which are right angled triangles and we have to prove two conditions. First part we have to prove the given pair of triangles are similar and the second one the ratio of the sides are equal. So let us consider these two triangles. So triangle ABC and AMP. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. So you know that how to prove two triangles are similar. We have to check similarity criteria here. So it is given in the question, these two triangles are right angled triangle with angle B and angle M is equal to 90 degree. So in these two triangles we have one angle 90 degree. Then what about this angle A? Actually in triangle ABC and AMP, this angle A is the common angle. So in these two triangles we got two angles are equal. Therefore by AA similarity we can say that these two triangles are similar. So we are going to write the proof of the first part. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP is equal to 90 degrees. So this condition is given in the question. And this angle is the common angle. We can write angle CAB is equal to angle PAM. This is the common angle for both the triangles. Therefore, by AA similarity criteria, we can say the two triangles are triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So we got these two triangles similar. Now we have to prove the second part. If you see this CA by second part is actually we have CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Actually this ratio is nothing but the corresponding parts of similar triangle. You know that if two triangles are similar then the sides ratios are equal. So we can say that this condition is these two ratios are equal. Reason corresponding parts of similar triangles. Corresponding parts of similar triangles, these two ratios are also equal. Now we will see the next question. In CD and GH respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FV of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, then we have to show these three conditions. So first let us draw the diagram. So we have two triangles ABC and EFG. So we have two triangles ABC and FEG, and what is given? CD and GH are respectively the angle bisectors. So CD and GH are the angle bisectors of angle ACB and angle FGE. Then we have to prove this condition first. So for proving this condition, first we have to consider these two triangles. So we have to consider triangle DCA and triangle HGF. We have to consider these two triangles and we have to show that these two triangles are similar first. If we are able to prove these two triangles are similar, then by the corresponding parts of similar triangle, we can say that this ratio is equal. Let us consider these two triangles. So proof of the first part. What is the condition given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So it is given that this full triangle, these two triangles are similar. So if two triangles are similar, then what we can say about its angles and sides? So angles will be equal and the sides ratios are also equal. Since these two triangles are equal, we can say angle A is equal to angle F. We can write angle A is equal to angle F. So this is the first equation. Then angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. So this is the second equation. Now the third angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. So this is the third equation. So we got all the three angles are equal. Now it is given that CD and GH are the angle bisector. So since these two angles are equal, what about this smaller angle, that is angle DCA and angle HGF? These two angles also will be equal because CD and GH are angle bisector. Now for these two triangles, if we consider triangle DCA and triangle HGF, what we have now from equation 1, we have angle A and angle F are equal, and from equation 4 we have angle DCA is equal to angle HGF, that is DCA means this smaller angle, this portion, these two angles are also equal. So in these two triangles we got two angles are equal, therefore by AA similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar, that is triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Actually this is our third part. So we have proved now third part. Since these two triangles are similar, their sides ratios are equal. So we will get this result, that is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So we will get the first part by corresponding parts of similar triangles. So we have proved the first part and the third part. Now we have this second condition, second part, that is for that we have to consider these two triangles, that is triangle DCB and triangle HGE. So we have to prove these two triangles similar. So the same argument, same similarity criteria we can use. Why? Because from equation 2 we have angle B and angle E are equal. Now what about this angle? Actually these two angles are also equal. So we can write angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. This is equation number 5. So from equation 2 and equation 5 we got two angles of these two triangles are equal. Therefore by AA similarity criteria we can say that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Okay, so by using AA similarity criteria we can prove the second pair of triangle also similar. Now we will see the next question. 11. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So here in this question we have to prove triangle ABD and ECF are similar. So ABD, that is this triangle ABD, triangle ABD and triangle ECF. So these two triangles we have to prove they are similar. So first let us start with the given condition. So what is the condition given? ABC is an isosceles triangle with these two sides are equal. So we'll start with the proof. ABC is an isosceles triangle with the side AB and AC are equal. So you know that in an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So we will get this condition, angle ABC and angle ACB are equal. So we can write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Reason, angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle. This is our first equation. We will denote this as equation number 1. This is the first equation. Now the next condition, what is given? AD is perpendicular to BC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, then this angle is 90 degrees. So we can write angle ADB, and similarly this EF is perpendicular to AC. So EF is perpendicular to AC, then this angle is also 90 degree. That is angle EFC is equal to 90 degree. This is the second equation. So this condition is given in the question. So what we got in these two triangles, that is in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, we got two angles are equal. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2 we got two angles of these two triangles are equal. Therefore by AA similarity criterion, we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Okay, now we will see the next question. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So here in this question we are given two triangles ABC and PQR, and in that AD and PM are the median. We have to show these two triangles are similar using any one of the similarity criteria. Now what are the conditions given in the question? So what is given in the question? AB, BC and AD are proportional to PQ, QR and PM. So AB by PQ, so we will have this condition, AB by PQ and BC by QR and AD by PM. So this condition is given in the question. So the sides ratios are equal, that is sides and the medians ratios are equal. So this condition is given in the question. Now what we are going to do here, in the middle ratio we are going to multiply by half. So we can write AB by PQ is equal to half of BC by half of QR is equal to AD by PM. Now we will see what is half of BC. You know that this DAD is the median. It's meaning D is the midpoint of BC. So half of BC we can write as BD. So in the place of this half of BC we can write BD. So we will get AB by PQ is equal to BD by, similarly in the next triangle half of QR is QM, since M is the midpoint. So we can rewrite this as QM. QM is equal to AD by PM. So now you see here we are going to consider these two triangles now, that is triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Okay, so in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, what we got? AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. So in these two triangles we got all the three sides ratios are equal. Therefore by SSS similarity criterion, SSS similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So we can write triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. So since these two triangles are similar, what about the angles? Angles are equal, that is this angle and this angle are equal. So we can write angle ABD is equal to ABC, we can write angle, this angle means angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Reason, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So this we will name as equation number 1. Now from this condition, given condition, we can take the first two ratios. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Okay, we have this condition also. This we will name as equation number 2. Now we will consider this full triangle, that is in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. What we got from equation 1 and 2, if you see, one angle and the included sides ratios are equal. Okay, so in these two triangles, this full triangle, if you consider this full triangle, we got one angle, that is angle B and angle Q are equal, and these two included sides ratios are also equal. Therefore by SAS similarity criterion, SAS similarity criterion, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so this is how you have to prove. So today we have completed up to question number 12. The remaining question we will discuss in the next video. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, children.